Hello everyone, welcome back to Always Buzzing. In this video, I am going to explain you what is Olympus DAO. So first of all, what is Olympus? Olympus is a decentralized reserve currency protocol based on the OHM token. So OHM is the native token of Olympus DAO. Each OHM token is backed by a basket of assets like DAI, FLEX, ETH, etc. in the Olympus treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that is it cannot fall below. So there is a floor price which it can't go beyond that. Olympus also introduces unique economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. We will know in this video what is staking, what is bonding, and how Olympus DAO works. First of all, let's see this video, which is made by the Olympus DAO only.
So what is Olympus DAO? How does it work? And how is it able to produce such high yield returns? First, let's start by explaining its place in decentralized finance, or DeFi. Cryptocurrency, especially DeFi, is quickly becoming a powerful digital economy. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged or directly tied to a stable currency such as the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. They currently dominate the crypto marketplace, but because they are pegged to the US dollar, they are still vulnerable to the inflationary policies of the Federal Reserve. Recently, there's been a wave of algorithmic stablecoins seeking to emulate the dollar peg with less than a 1-to-1 ratio backing. Olympus decided to take this idea one step further. What if we could achieve stability while still maintaining purchasing power by using a floating market-driven price? So what is Olympus DAO? A reserve currency protocol based on the OHM token. It aims to become a crypto-native stable currency. It will accomplish this the same way central banks manage their currencies using reserve assets. But Olympus DAO manages OHM using crypto reserve assets. But contrary to central banks, where decisions are made by a select few, all changes to the Olympus protocol are voted on by the community of OHM holders through the DAO. So how does it work? The Olympus protocol uses its treasury to back all outstanding OHM tokens. Currently, each OHM is backed by the stablecoin DAI, but Olympus is already securing new partnerships to add additional cryptocurrencies to the treasury. The protocol functions to stabilize OHM's value. When OHM trades at a value above its backed assets, the OHM protocol mints and sells new OHM, increasing supply. When OHM trades below its backed asset, the OHM protocol buys back and burns OHM, decreasing supply. This allows the OHM token to achieve a stable floating value while never falling below the value of its backed assets. OHM also expands its treasury through bonds. Bonds are sold by the protocol for different assets, and in return, the buyer receives OHM at a discounted price. This allows the protocol to control the supply of OHM and lock in liquidity to the treasury. These assets are also used to back new OHM that is distributed to stakers. So how can I benefit from Olympus? There are two main options, staking and bonding. The easiest option is to stake, where you can stake your OHM and yields are compounded automatically. A more hands-on investor might want to take advantage of bonds, where you can sell assets to the treasury and receive OHM at a discounted price after a certain period of time. That wraps up our introduction to Olympus. If you have questions, would like to get involved, or if you are interested in learning more about OHM, join our Discord with over.
So that was in a nutshell what is Olympus. So what is the point of Olympus, as we have already seen in this video, that it is a policy control currency system in which the behavior of OHM token is controlled by a high level by the DAO. So not a single individual controls the DAO, the OHM token. The DAO controls the OHM token. So how can you participate in the Olympus? You can participate via two methods, that is staking and bonding. So how can you benefit from the Olympus? You can benefit from the returns you get by staking your tokens. Also, so let's understand what is staking. So staking is the primary value accrual method strategy of Olympus. Stakers stake their OHM on the Olympus website to earn rebase rewards. So here is the Olympus website. You can connect your wallet and you can stake your OHM tokens. Now, what is staking like? Staking is a passive long-term strategy, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to stake your own tokens, and that's it. Your own token will be compounded over the years, and you will reap the benefits. When you stock, you lock ohm and receive an equal amount of S ohm. So that S ohm just shows that you have staked your ohm tokens. That's it. So that was staking, and let's understand what is bonding. So bonding is the secondary value accrual strategy of Olympus. It allows Olympus to acquire its own liquidity, which means the protocol itself owns the liquidity, no one else. So as we have also seen that if the Olympus token, the value is not backed at one DAI and it falls beyond below one DAI, so what will happen that the protocol will buy ohm tokens from the open market and it will burn them. So it will reduce the supply, and eventually the ohm token price will be above the floor price. And in case of vice versa situation, the vice versa scenario will happen. So that was the two main things, that was staking and bonding, which you can benefit from the Olympus DAO token. Olympus DAO, I mean. So that was I hope I was able to make you understand what was Olympus DAO. You can check the description box to see all the links and all the videos links. Thank you for watching.